Oh, this is a story about a guy named Al, and he lived in a sewer with his hamster found with the every single night he had a statutory dream where he was wearing leader moves and in the past sour cream, but the next to it better than a hard dead with a special with a two-hour but it didn't give a job that it lost us after the job from the top after the top star but it's spending by spending that a great little game playing on cool and turning something and he really makes somebody find chili bean and pickle sandwich for what it's worth. And one day I was in the forest finding Janet when he heard the torture screaming of a funny little man. He was caught in a face of an elf and a flea and the guy that he rescued was grateful as could be. And it turns out he's a big shot producer on TV, so he got it very yummy.